our 3-phase electric griddle. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 48 inches, a depth of 24¼ inches, and the overall height, we have 15 inches tall. Coming to the front will be the 2 separate burners with the light indicator, and on top will be the actual cook area. Cook area measurements will include 48 inches in length by 19¼ inches in depth. Coming to the bottom of the cook area will be the waste and runoff, and the center of the hole is where the waste and the axis will drop below onto this pan. Pan will measure 6½ inches in length with a depth of 18 inches. So after the axis and waste is removed from the pan, it can be inserted back below the griddle. Hard wiring required to operate this griddle, and again it runs on 3-phase and 240 voltage. Coming to the back will be verification along with the technical specification for this griddle. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.